Welcome, friends. We are off to Vegas this weekend and we absolutely can't wait. It's been a while since we've been on a plane, so we are just itching for it. That being said, we have to get food first, find a new speakeasy that is around here somewhere at PDX. We're at Cha Cha Cha. The best thing about here is you can order a burrito. Well, you can kind of order anything and then make it a burrito, but then you can chimichanga it. And they deep fry it and it's amazing. It's the vegetarian burrito that we got in chimichanga style.
So one of the things I like the best about this place is the portion sizes. These burritos are massive. So we split every time. When I'm done, I am completely satisfied and full. The best part, find a girl who doesn't like guacamole, and that way I get all the guacamole. One of the great things about the Portland airport are these signs that tell you where there's parking. You can see green lights that show you where an open spot is.
I can't get a tree to grow in my backyard. I can't get a plant to grow in my windowsill. How in the world PDX gets a forest on the inside is absolutely beyond me. We heard through the grapevine that there's a speakeasy here at PDX. So we're on the hunt, but we're kind of early. So we're checking out the rest of the building. There's little art museums along the way. There is bars and restaurants and things to buy. So hopefully we'll be able to kind of meander through the airport and see how beautiful the renovation is. See the ceiling? It's gorgeous. And hopefully end with a speakeasy somewhere secretly in this building.
So we're going to try to show you everything you can see at PDX before security and maybe end with that speakeasy if they'll let us in.
Is there a bear in your airport? There's a sitting area up here. I had no idea. All right, we're sitting here waiting until 4 o'clock. We have 20 minutes to try to hit this speakeasy.
Yes, speakeasy opens at 4. We're going to check it out. We got to find it first. We have a hint. We don't know.
I don't know. All right. So we're wandering around trying to find the speakeasy upstairs next to the Loyal Legion or in the Loyal Legion, I'm not sure. But what we actually found was an art museum, an art room.
Little art gallery.
An art
gallery.
But it's filled with all these quilts and pictures of quilts and explanations of quilts. It's pretty cool.
I heard rumor there's a speakeasy that I have to talk to you about.
Oh, 1977 Star. It's right there.
Right through that little thing?
Oh, I heard noises. Oh my goodness, this is so fun.
Hey.
Hi. My goodness, this is gorgeous.
That's pretty cool.
Wow. And the lights are different colors down the room. That's really cool. All right, we made it to the Aurora Speakeasy in the Portland International Airport. Whiskey in hand. We are prepared for takeoff.
It was actually pretty easy to get into. It's at the Loyal Legion, which is a really big kind of sports bar area before security, above in the mezzanine. So you'll see it when you walk in or before you go to security. You get up there, you can hang out there a lot too, and then just ask the bartender, they give you the code, and you're in.
It's adorable. Everything's kind of rainbow colored, LED lights, but at the same time, very soothing. It's low lights and soft music and good whiskey. And then you can watch the planes come in. This is definitely worth searching for a silver door.
I'm noticing this. As I'm walking, it stays blue. But when I turn, what was just blue is different colors. Like I'm trying to get a different color of this Alaska flight, but I have to like come at a totally different angle, and it's still blue. But over there, it's not blue. I think my mind's blown. Well, we just got back from Portland Airport. Piper needed a walk. So here we are. Wanted to say that today was such a cool day. Huge burrito at Cha Cha Cha. We got to find that speakeasy in the Portland Airport, which was amazing. I would highly recommend doing that. It might be a reason to go to the airport, even if you don't have a flight coming in or going, because it was really cool. So next, off to Vegas. This is a video of this whole thing, by the way.
Hi friends, we're at, what am I? All right, we made it to the Aurora. Aurora? Is it
Yeah,
Aurora?
yeah, Aurora.
Okay.